3000, 88, 59, 76 and minus 45. The answer is 178. So I have by mistake. Hi friends, I am Mahendra from Mahidya's Activities. All you know that the Ucmas state level exam is held on 25th January 2024. My Ucmas state level practice has begun. So friends, I will show you how to do the practice of my paper. So let's get started. I'm going to the dashboard. This is the portal which I am doing practice every day. See, so let's show you. See, this is everything. See, this is my IO here. See, my IO, in the blue line is my IO. I'm just going in ongoing exams. There is almost nothing in our ongoing exams. It says ongoing examinations. I unfinished that exams you haven't submitted. Exam name, I'm going to final exam. See, in the green one, there is my IO. I gone. Now it says final exam will be enabled on the day of competition. This will be enabled on 21st January. So the green arrow to the blue one. I will give the information later. From blue, now we are going to orange. Review previous exams. These are the papers I do every day. They are the results. See, I did one paper this morning. This 127 and my 111 all correct and got 87.4 accuracy and the marks. See, this marks. I have got 1110. In this state level exam portal, there are 200 sums and we should do 200 sums in 10 minutes. So how should we do them? 500 sums in 5 minutes. 100 sums in 5 minutes and other 5 minutes 100 sums. That means 200. Friends, it is not really easy to solve 200 sums in 10 minutes. It can be possible if we do the practice regularly. If you did 10 papers every day, you will get the get the score of 100, above 100. Above 1000 marks. See this marks. See this marks. We will like this. I got 1110, 880 yesterday. I have ordered them 126 question and 116 I correct. That means only 10 wrong. And see the accuracy. Accuracy means a kind of marks, a percentage. That is 92.1. And you know, and I have got the marks 1160. That's the highest score of all. So analyze. Let's see the analyze. Okay. See, it goes like this. See, this is the dashboard. If we pass this one, we will get. Let's do it after. See, there is only one wrong. See, 8 thing means there is one wrong only in this one. Now I see over here, and I am going to 26 to 50. It's the next border crossing. So see, I will show you 1 to 25. We have no 2 digit in this, no. So just see this one. We have no 2 digit in this. Only 1 digit and 1 digit minus. But we do have 2 digit in this one, no? See, 88 4 minus 3 5 5. 88. That's 2 digit. And it is 51 to 75. Everything is correct. See, till here and here is correct. See, all my answers are correct, no? Now let's go 76 to 100. Only 3 wrong, guys. This because these ones are a bit wrong. They are 2 times 4. 2 digit times 4. Now 101 to 125. This was also a bit hard. That's why I got 5. See, this had a really bad and boring printing mistake. This is 133. Instead of that, I have written 130. So this is 134 is the correct answer. And instead of that, I have written 133. 189, 178. 9, 109. 178, 163. 110, 160. Because it is really boring to do cut. Cut. Happy? So I have did just imagine 88, 59, 76 and minus 45. The answer is 178. So I have by mistakenly written 154. That means it is wrong. If the printing mistake happens, see, if it's 76 minus 42 and 76 plus 53, and the correct answer is 163. And I have by mistakenly written 162. That is a printing mistake. See, cut. So now I want to show you something. How to open the portal. Sorry. Let's see. See, you see a Google Chrome. See, I'm in the pink umbrella. See, this IO. Google Chrome. So we are pasting this. Now we should go in our ID where we have login the portal. This one is mine. So I go in this besides Google, I type a URL. I could sometimes do this is the same, or else this is the same, or this is the same. But I will do Ucmas for SLC 2024 exam portal. See, this one is mine. The first one is mine. This is the exam ID and this is the password thingy. And now we will log in. This is the dashboard. Now should we do one paper? So friends, you could see your speed in the paper. How to start the paper? Just 1 minute. Okay. See, we should go in this blue button, practice exams. So this comes and we should pay some test camera setup and start exam. So we pressed it. This red screen comes. See, we should go down with the help of this. Click on start a camera to get proceed. Click on test environment to check your background. Now we should press this green button. Start practice exam C1. My paper is C1. Okay? Now I will show you how to do it. If we press this, it will start. Just this purple button comes and we should press it. We should start the paper. We should there should be not 2 persons here. That's why you are not seeing here. That's why we should look from first. So we started the paper. Like this we should start the paper. Now keep quiet. So friends, I have done my 10 minutes paper and I will show you my results. This result is taller than the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. See, it all goes from here. It climbs and climbs and climbs and climbs and climbs. Like the Jeddah Tower. See, this big stuff. See, and my marks is I broke my self record. I did 134. Last time I did 137, and my 116 were correct. I did less sums this time, and more were correct. Less sums I did this time. First was my 137. See, this blue 137. I got 134. For 137, I got the marks 1160. But I did lower, but marks are more. 134 I did, and the marks are still more. 1180. So friends, like this you must have to practice. Yes, I got 1180 and I broke my record. That was because I practiced a lot. I did almost 190 papers. That means almost 300. No, I did 392 really. Then if I do 8 more papers, then 300. 300 I will break the record of 200. So very soon I hope I will get my best score 2000. If I will do one day near the exam near I will solve 200 sums and I will do not a single wrong. Then I will get 2000. Watch more Abacus video from my channel. This is the 5th Abacus video we are doing. So friends, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay.